The Tri-Cities is rich in history, beautiful scenery, and friendly, hard-working people who call this region home. Our area businesses proudly proclaim that their products are Tri-Cities made. The Bristol, Tennessee facility that UPM Pharmaceuticals occupies has over a century of continuous pharmaceutical operation. UPM Pharmaceuticals continues that legacy today with their commitment to the highest level of customized drug development and production. UPM Pharmaceuticals operates a state-of-the-art facility that is able to take a products from design to testing to large-scale commercial and manufacturing and packaging. From tablets to capsules, creams and ointments, UPM Pharmaceuticals has contracts with major drug companies, and there's a good chance that a product made at UPM Pharmaceuticals is in your medicine cabinet right now. UPM's commitment to helping others doesn't stop on the manufacturing floor. UPM Pharmaceuticals proudly supports organizations like Kingsway Charities and Serving Orphans Worldwide.
What we manufacture locally
makes a difference globally.
UPM Pharmaceuticals products are proudly made in the Tri-Cities.